Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a percentage symbol on your Google Slide mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a percentage symbol in your Google Slide mobile. So first I'm just going to open a document here. So I just going to enter into the document. So here you just need to insert a percentage symbol. So I just going to straight into the point. So there is a no insert symbol option present on the Google Slide mobile. Instead of that, you can just use your alternative as your keyboard to insert this symbol. So here I just using Google keyboard or Gboard. You just can click here on the number section. Then here you will see a lot of symbols, but you just need to click again here and you can just insert percentage symbol like this. So this is the best alternative for inserting symbol because there is no option present on Google Docs or Google Slide. The insert symbol option is not available on mobile phone. So instead of that, you can use your own keyboard, or else you can just use your Google keyboard, Gboard. You can just download it from Play Store. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.